Huda, explain this to me now.
Shafiqah, what's wrong?
My percentage dropped and no one told me about this.
It was Miss Betty's instruction. She said it was urgent.
Urgent or secret?
Shafiqah, there's more.
What do you mean?
I've been handling those accounts and there are large amounts of transfer
To where?
to Betty's personal account.
She used company money?
I warned her, but she didn't listen to me. I know this could be wrong.
Enough. If she want to play later, I will fight back anyway.
Take a seat, Pika.
Thank you, Miss Ria.
Pika, take a breath and start from the beginning. What happened?
I trust her. She take everything from me. The money, control, and even my guys. She transferred the company funds to her personal account and my ownership dropped overnight.
Okay, Pika, what you are describing to me is very, very serious. And if we look onto the section 213 of clause 1 of Company Act 2016, we can clearly see that a director must act in good faith and in the best interest of the company, not for herself. The law also asks one main question to us, which is, was her decision is really based on the best interest of the company? There are two parts in this test. Firstly, the subjective test. Did she honestly believe that the decision was for the company? And secondly, the objective test. Was there any reasonable director in the position will think the same? So, it's enough for her to say that I just thought it was right. Her decision must be reasonable and based on the facts.
Taking company money for herself, that is not reasonable.
Exactly, Pika. This sounds like a likely event of breach of duty. And there's a case that I can refer to you, which is Daniel versus Daniels, where the directors sold the company's assets below the market value to themselves. The court allowed a minority shareholder to take action, even there is no clear evidence of fraud because the director benefited from at the company's expense. Yes.
That sounds exactly like my situation.
Yes, definitely very similar. You can also file an oppression claim under section 345 and 346. The court looks whether the conduct was unfair and not necessarily illegal. And Re A Company number 00477 of 1986, the court said that no need to prove of bad faith, no need to prove of intention, and only show unfair prejudice. Also in Re HR Harmer Limited, the director ignored other members' made decision alone and used the company money for himself. The court held that this is oppression.
That is exactly what is Betty doing right now.
Yes, especially when you are not informed about the meetings. And to reference a case here, in the case of Lim Hei Pin versus Tian Seng Ko Sdn Bhd, the court held that denying shareholders their rights to participate is oppression. You can also have a detritive action under section 347 and 348. This allows you to bring an action on behalf of the company. And also another case to refer here is in the case of Chu Sun and Cast Iron Products Sdn Bhd. There was a mismanagement and poor accounting. The court granted relief because the company affairs were being improperly handled. And if the situation becomes too severe, you may also even apply for winding up your company under section 465 on just an equitable basis.
Then I want to take action.
And of course, we will take action on this. Betty, we need to talk.
If this is about company's decision, I don't answer to shareholders.
Of course, you don't have to answer to shareholders, but you have to answer to the law.
Everything I did was for the company.
No, the money went into your personal account and the share issuance was never properly approved.
You're all overreacting right now.
We are not overreacting, Betty. You misused the company funds. You manipulated share controls. That is breach of your duties. We are prepared to take legal action, directive action, and operation claim. Court order to reverse your decisions.
You thought I wouldn't fight back? You're wrong.
What do you want?
Thank you, Bria. I almost give up.
The law exists for moments like this. Power does not give them license to exploit it, and justice always prevails.